Welcome back, Pure Shorts Traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Good to be back with you guys. Sorry, charts were giving me a little bit of problem, but we got that fixed. So we are looking to see some levels for the London session and potentially into the US session. So with that said, again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us, and any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So we're going to start with a bigger chart here. S&P 500, you can see we got this actually it's not even the bigger chart. The bigger chart is right here. So we're going to go on to the 60-minute and pull this up so you guys can see we got nice push down. We can actually even widen this and adjust this line here from the top. You can see it does look like we're going to end up getting a nice wedge back to the upside. So it does look something similar to either a rising wedge. You can see that it pulled down and it started to rise, and it looks like we're going to start to see S&P pull back up to the top side of 39.9150. That's going to be the area of resistance, and then above that you got some zones, 4,004 to about 4,009, and then above that 4,038 to about 4,054 as the next zone of resistance. So we'll see if we get the opportunity to move up into that area, but as of right now we are looking to see if the market does try to push back up through this wedge area, getting into our first area of resistance, 39.9150. So when we do start to move down into the smaller charts here, you can see 30-minute getting a little bit more cleaner. If we open this up, you can see it coming in. Let's just pull this over. See a little bit more in detail happening here. You can see the fall off here, then we came down again here, and then the market again tried to pull up into this area a couple times, and we couldn't break that down. You can see the support, one bounce, two bounces, and again we are looking for this to wedge up higher. Again, 91 to about 93 is going to be our first area. So as we draw down into the smaller charts, you can see 15-minute right here coming a little bit more clear. Again, you can even draw closer lines just like this to see that wedge a little bit more. Nice little bit of a pendant pattern pushing back to the upside again. So again, that's why we're looking for this to come back to the upside of resistance. I got a little bit of a closer one again, 91. You can see the bottom of this probably going to come right around 95, 96 as that prior support. So again, as we zoom in, it's a little bit more clear. But we always start from the higher time frame chart, and again we're zooming in right in this area as well. And you can see if I pull this up, you can see multiple times it tried one resistance, two resistances, came right back into this support area, and then found that support and then tried to push back to the upside, breaking this level of resistance. You can see nice resistance we had kind of right in this area here, right around 59 to 60, and then you can see that holding support 1, 2, and 3 may end up finding its bounce and then going to the upside from here. So we are looking for a bullish continuation, especially into those 65 to 70s, and then you can see above that we're going to have a little bit of another area of interest, which is right here, and then getting back up to those 91. So as we zoom into the smaller charts, you can use 5-minute. I like 3-minute. That's just what works for me. But again, we're going to try this bounce right around 59 to 60, see if we can get that prior peak of resistance to act as support. So again, if you guys want a nice zone here to tackle for that support, it's going to be kind of right in this zone here. So you can try 50, 59 to 57 as the long opportunity to continue into those 65s, and then above that into 70. So again, you could try that. Again, there is this other area here that we did point out that may end up standing out before we get up into those 91s, which is going to be somewhere around these 39.80s. So keep that in mind as well as you are trading. But again, we broke structure, so we should end up seeing this try to break and continue back up into this very first area right here. So we'll keep an eye out for that, but that's what we're looking for on S&P 500. Hopefully that helps you guys. Again, we put together a little bit more for you guys so you can see, but that wraps it up. If you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us, and any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But again, you guys take care, have a great night, and if you are going to trade, make sure you trade with discipline and patience. Take care, guys. Bye.